Warm-up problem number 1. Okay, for this one we want to do, we want to do 7 minus 6 first. 7 minus 6 is 1. 1 squared will give you 1, so we have 3 minus 1 plus 4 times 3 is 12. 3 minus 1 is 2, and 2 plus 12 will give you 14. Number 2. Okay, so for this one we do 4 squared is 16. 16 divided by 2 is 8. So we have 8 squared. What you have? 8 squared plus 11. 8 squared is 64. And 64 and 11 will give you 75. Bonus problem number 3. Okay, for this one you want to do 45 divided by 9 will give you 5. And 5 plus 4 times 5 is 20 over 5, and 25 over 5, it'll give you 5. Number 4. Okay, answer for that one was -1. Number 5. Okay, answer for this one is 25. Okay, bring up your number for the lottery. Okay, today's lottery number is 4. Okay, homework check. Take it to Mr. Skinner. Okay, answers for 1 through 3 are 3 and 4, 5 and 6, and 4 and 5. Answers for 4 through 6 are 8 and 9, 10 and 11, and 12 and 13. Okay, answers for 7 through 9 are 10 and 11, 14 and 15, and 17 and 18. Okay, answers for 10 through 12 are 19 and 20, 20 and 21, and 22 and 23. And the answers are 23 and 24, 20 and 21, and 24 and 25. Okay, any questions on the homework? No papers pass out. If you need to make up a test, you can come in 6th period. Alright, our objective for today is estimate the solutions for problem situations involving square and cube roots. And our learning target is to determine the 2 integers between which a cube root falls. Okay, so for example, problem number 1. The cube roots are 1 to the 3rd is 1, 8, 27, 64, 125, 216, 343, 512, and so on. So we want to see which numbers does 17 fall between on this side. So 17 is between 8 and 27. And the numbers that correspond with 8 and 27 are 2 and 3. Okay, example number 2, 70. The 2 numbers that 70 is between will be 64 and 125. And the cube root of those are 4 and 5. Okay, practice problem number 1. Back to practice problem number 1. Alright, we had the cube root of 45. 45 is going to fall between 27 and 64. If we cube root these, then we'll come up with 3 and 4. Okay, so for this one, 3 is going to fall between 1 and 8. And those numbers correspond with 1 and 2. Bonus number 2. Okay, so for this one, in our list of numbers, we had 4 and 5. And 65 falls between 4 to the 3rd and 5 to the 3rd. So we have 64 and 125 as our cube roots. So our answer is going to be 4 and 5. Practice problem number 2. Okay, for practice problem number 2, we have 103. 103 falls between 64 and 125. So when we cube root these, our answer is going to give us 4 and 5. Okay, bonus number 4. Okay, so for this one, 126 falls between 64 and 125. So when we cube root these, we get 4 and 5. Okay, speed problems. Okay, for speed problem number 1. Answer for this one was 29, by the way. Speed problem number 2. Okay, answer for this one was 25. Number 3. Okay, answer for this one. We do 6 divided by 2 first. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. And 2 squared will give us 4. Okay, number 4. Okay, answer to that was 6.
I'll let somebody else get this.
Number 5. Alright, answer for this one was 1. Okay. Example problem number 3. We have. Okay. 224 is between 216 and 343. You cube root those and we'll get 6 and 7. Alright. Example problem number 4. 625 is between 512 and 729. Cube root them and we're going to get 8 and 9.
So 9, 7, 29.
Okay, practice problem number 3. There we go. Okay, so for practice problem number 3, 400 is between 343 and 512. So that's going to make our answer 7 and 8. Okay, we have 252. That's between 216 and 343. So that's going to correspond with 6 and 7. Bonus number 6. Okay, 150 will be between 64 and 1... Oh, no, that's wrong. Sorry about that. Okay. It'll be between 125 and 216. So that's going to make our answer 5 and 6. Okay, practice problem number 4. This one is 727. So that'll be between 512 and 729. So that's going to be... Oops. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, 8 and 9.
Everybody got it?
Everybody got it. How many, like, if I have over 1 billion, what if I have 1 billion?
Extra credit?